Good morning, dear hearts. We're at lesson 133. I will not value what is valueless. Okay. Beautiful lesson, as they all are. This one I'm going to try and, make concise and clear. This lesson starts out by saying that we do not ask for too much of life, but far too little. But that is based on the fact of how we have made decisions of what is valuable and what is valueless. So today's lesson gives us a criteria for making those decisions of what really has value and what really does not. Now, we're told there's only two choices, and we know this because there's only what is true and what is false, okay? And what is love and what is fear. We have a whole litany of things within the course that tells us it's this way or it's that way, and there isn't anything really in between here. So we get to make a very clear and distinct choice. And in this case, it is what is temporary and what is eternal, what has value and what does not, okay? And what is real and what is unreal, all right? And we just had lessons about what the real world is, that the world I seek holds nothing that I want, but beyond this world, there is a world I want, and that would be the real world, and that would be a world of value. So this lesson goes through and it gives us basically 4 criterion to help us to decide what actually has value. And we will realize it does not have value if it meets one of these criterion, which is 1, it's something that's temporary. It's not going to last. 2, I'm taking it from someone else, okay? And I'm taking from the belief of giving and receiving, from the ego's point of view, which is if I take it, you don't have it, all right? And that is serving the ego, and that's the 3rd criterion, that whatever my decision is of whether or not something has value, it's something that is serving and stroking my ego for me. That won't have value. And the 4th level, the 4th choice criterion is, does it make me feel guilty? Is there guilt involved in making this decision? And if so, then it is obviously going to be valueless. So for me to switch my mind about this, I have to now learn how I will decide. And sometimes it's just helpful to know I'm not going to do this, so now what am I going to do? And I'm going to make decisions that lift up everyone, including myself, so that I don't feel guilty, and I don't think that someone else is losing by me gaining, because we will both gain together. The practice periods are twice a day, 15 minutes each, and go into the practice period with, I will not value what is valueless, and only what has value do I seek, for only that do I desire to find. I want to find what is eternal, what is real. And these are things obviously such as love and the light in this world, and the sharing and the compassion and the joy that is never ending, that as I have it, I give to others as well. And there's a beautiful quote in the text in chapter 14 that says, when you have learned how to decide with God, all decisions become as easy and as right as breathing. There is no effort, and you will be led as gently as if you were being carried down a quiet path in summer. So use that for the criterion, the decision making of if it has value, because what has value will be an easy decision. You will be led to it, and there will not be any negative thought or repercussion from your decision. Okay, I hope this helped. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you share, you subscribe to the YouTube channel, Janet Weissman, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow. Namaste.